Are we doing part 2 of the Spider-Man Far From Home?
Yep.
Yeah, but we already did a little bit. We just jumped ahead. Are we taking... Is this lunch from school? Huh? Is this lunch from school? Your lunch break?
Yep.
But you already ate.
You don't need to join the one at one.
You want... Hey, you want to give a shout out? Just say hi, Luca.
Hi, Luca. We like Lego too.
Yeah. All right, buddy.
Now this gets out of here.
Tell Luca to give you a shout out too on one of his videos.
He heard that.
Okay. You have everything?
And no.
The black, this
What
piece.
is
That's this
this?
one, isn't it?
Basically, yeah. And this.
So this is used to
You need
connect the pieces together. You understand?
And also, you put this somewhere like.
Yeah, but that's to connect them together. So what I would do is line this up upside down.
You put that.
Let me help you.
Upside down.
Okay. It's like this.
Are you mad?
I'm mad. I'm so angry.
And you're not.
No, look there. See? And then you get this piece.
And then we get this piece.
Oh, there it is. Here, hang on. Silly boy. Or if that's hard, you know what you do? You take one piece. And you connect it first. Take this one piece, connect it there.
Connect it here?
Well, in the middle, see?
In here.
Yeah. And then you take this piece. No. That's it.
That's it. But
See, look. You have to follow the steps.
wait, the steps are right
See?
there.
46, 47,
48.
48.
Dad.
Your brother's yelling upstairs. I don't know why.
And where do I put this? Right here. In.
Yeah, look. Try to follow that.
Rent.
Look. Look at the flat side. Put it down. Put it down beside it.
That looks right.
No, it doesn't.
That doesn't look right.
Flip it. No. Keep it this way. Look where the flat side is. Here. See the flat side?
Yeah.
And look where the slanted side is.
Okay.
This slanted side follows the same.
Where on the which?
Like that. So you follow it.
Okay.
Okay?
And
Okay. Let me see. You'll probably have to do the opposite.
and then we have this.
Okay. Now you find another piece like that.
I just threw it.
No, I think it's this one. It's this big one.
It's bigger. I said bigger.
No, yeah.
Like
That looks right.
that.
Did you do it?
Yeah. So like that.
Look at this piece here. Okay. No. Look where this lines up.
Look.
One piece at a time. Not two pieces. One piece at a time.
That looks correct, doesn't it?
Yeah, but flip it over. It's on wrong. No, flip the small piece over.
What small piece?
This piece. You have it wrong.
This way?
Yeah.
How do I put it on?
Oh. What's missing there? Hang on a second. Technical difficulty.
We figured out the thing. It was just the wrong piece.
It was the wrong piece.
The thing. And I'm gonna need to get 2 of these. And I need one of these.
Didn't I put one there?
No, this is the bigger one. There, that's just the bigger one.
It's not focused.
Okay, it's right here. I found it. So, we flip this over, and I need to follow the steps. I can't even tell where the phone is.
I saw one here.
Where? It's fine, I know where the... Oh.
Find it?
Okay, there's the other phone that I was looking for.
So put it together.
Put it like this.
It's not a phone. I don't think it's a phone. I think it's like a cannon or something. Or an engine.
Yeah, big
So now the wing is done. So here, look. Try to line it up. See? Yeah. I think all... No. I think it's all the way over.
All the way here?
No, all the way over.
Right here?
No. Up.
Here?
Yeah.
Put the wing dinger on.
Oh, look at all the... Ooh, this is hard to put on. No, hang on a second. Here, let me do it. Hold the camera. Let me see. Well, is it on? Yeah, this is a little... This. Yep, because you have to line up all the holes.
You're getting too close to me.
Oh, what did I do?
It's the wing dinger.
I might break everything.
No, you're not gonna break everything.
I think something's in the way. I think something's wrong.
Oh, I think I see from the camera.
Right, this thing?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Well, we'll fix it. Hang on. What's wrong here?
Dad, this is gonna be our longest video ever.
Okay, maybe press pause.
Right.